On his upcoming birthday, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. shared his wish for a better life for all Filipinos, emphasizing his goal of eradicating hunger and continuing projects that will improve the lives of the people. The president expressed hope that no Filipino would ever have to suffer from hunger again. He also highlighted his commitment to pursuing initiatives that ease the daily struggles of citizens. The chief executive will celebrate his birthday this Saturday, marking another year of leadership.
Hindi naman nagbabago yung mga birthday wish ko mula nung simula hanggang ngayon na naging Pangulo ko at yun na nga maging maayos ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino na maituloy natin lahat ng ating proyekto para matulungan lalong-lalo na yung mga mahihirap at ganun pa rin hindi talaga nagbabago. Sana maabot natin yung aabutin natin yung aking pinapangarap na wala nang gutom na Pilipino.